Hi everyone, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you my new kit. It is already on my Etsy and my Ko-fi stores. I will leave the link of them below in the video where you can access them or get them. And they are on a 25% discount on both the stores. On the Ko-fi store, you get the PDF zip version as well. The PDF version as well as the zipped JPEG version. Okay, so that's the only difference between the two stores. Etsy, I don't have both the versions there. I just have the zipped JPEG there. Okay, so this is called Awesome Autumn, and it is a 28-page kit. So that's what I'm kind of doing these days, a 28-page kit. It's got 10 main pages, it's got 8 background pages, and then 10 pages of ephemera. So as you all know, my kits are really worth it. You're getting 28 pages and you are getting it all in one kit. Okay, not splitting off the kits for as far as I can help it. Okay, so let's look at it. So I introduced the blues and a little bit of like a teal color as well as the oranges and the creams. Okay, I was supposed to do another kit, not sure, that would have more the maroons on it. Okay, so that's page number 1. I printed the main pages as well as the background pages on 120 GSM fully matte, and the ephemera pages I printed it on 150 GSM matte. Okay, so that is that one. This is page 2. Sorry, I always look at my kits because I forget what I really do. That's page 3. So there's a bit of the teals coming through as well here. Sorry, that's page 4. Lots of pumpkins on this one here. That's page 5. Beautiful. And I love this page. Page 6 with our forest friends. Page 7. Yeah, just love that owl. And then page 8. I think this is my favorite page. This one, and then I think, what's it? The squirrels. Yeah, so page 8. So really a truly stunning page. Okay, right, so those are your 8 pages. Then this is pages with lines on it. This is page 9. And then this is page 10. Okay, so those are your main pages. Yeah, then my background pages. Sorry, my printer gave me a lot of problems over here. Okay, so there's 1. I printed this borderless. 2. So these are great, sorry, for cutting in, just like, for example, fussy cutting around them. 3. 4. I did a Friday freebie using this page last week. Not last week, the other week, I believe. Or last week, I don't know. I think this is 6 or 5. I don't know now. I lost count. 5 could be, or 6. Okay. Yeah, I think it was 5. 6. 7. And 8. Okay. So your background pages. So I wanted to do ones with just, you know, plain like this, so you can decorate them. So I try to give you as many of the colors in the kit. Okie dokie. So you've got your two pockets over here. I'm sorry, your two envelopes over here. And you got some acorns and some pumpkins, a little bit of fussy cutting that I thought, you know, I tried to pick out the easy ones for you to cut out. The leaves, I mean, you can't really get easy leaves, but for all the rest I tried to pick out some easy ones for you to cut out. Okay, here is the pockets, the tiny little pockets that you have. You've got your nice big tickets, because I really like these tickets. I've been using them quite often. A nice big what is this, an envelope. This is so pretty. And then some tags that you can use as well over here. This is a really pretty kit. More envelopes. So you got quite a bit of envelopes. I love envelopes. So yeah, and envelopes are a little bit more harder to put together, so that's why I do envelopes. And then there's some medium-sized tags here, some over here. The black was I had a page in black, but then I realized there wasn't too much of black, so I didn't give you that. But like for something like where you want to add it to this or whatever, I've left the one black in the, I didn't want to give you a whole page of it. Yeah, more envelopes with the belly band, and then these like ticket kind of well, like kind of tickets, but not fully tickets. You've got yourself a file folder. Now imagine this file folder with some of the fussy cuts on it. Ooh, that could look excellent. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, I'm just looking at this kit and I'm thinking to myself, I wish I could actually do this kit, but I got too many outstanding kits. So there's another one. Autumn, I think autumn and Christmas are my favorite kits to do. I love doing autumn and Christmas kits. Some some pockets for you. Okay, some huge tags. There's my pretty bird there. And then some journal cards. And that's basically, so that's your 10 pages. I must admit, when I see this kit, it makes me smile. Because it's just the images, the colors, everything are so beautiful. These are the colors that I like. I don't necessarily like a whole lot of pastels. I like neutral colors. Anyway, that's the kit, and I hope that you do like it, and that you will make your way down to my Etsy and Ko-fi stores, and I'll be so happy and appreciative if you purchase it. There, as I mentioned, there is a Friday freebie on it already. There's actually two Friday freebies that you can use if you purchase this kit already, and I think I am coming out with the third Friday freebie this week that will lend itself to this kit. Okay, so I always try to give Friday freebies that work with the kits, just because if you purchase it, you got a little bit more to work with than just random Friday freebies, but you know that about me already. So I do hope that you enjoyed this. I do hope that you are going to you know, make an awesome journal, folder, whatever you want to make using this. And that's the beauty of the fact that you get both the JPEG as well as the PDF versions, because then you can print it according to your specifications. Thanks so much for watching, and have yourself a very blessed day. And thank you so much for all your support. Bye bye and take care.